Arellano, which is THM Cafe. And then, ano siya, medyo, hindi siya minimalist, it's puro flowers. So ngayon, we decided to take on a minimal design, which is, gusto namin baguhin din yung name. Mas 92, 94, 92, as my birth year, and then my co-owner's birth year, which is 20, is 94, 1994.
It was purely Facebook. Nag-search lang ako, tapos search lang, few more companies, and then nakita ko si JBT, and then I realized na parang, with just looking at the profile, my heart said this is the right company. So, gut feeling ko na parang I feel they will help us to have a better cafe and to make our dreams come into reality. So, I met with Sir JP sa THM, and then at one point, nag-click kami agad, and sabi ko, sabi ko nga sa kanya, I'm following my instinct by choosing your company, and we never regretted that. Me and my business partner, we appreciate the way they work, and we never had problem working with them. It's very easy to work with them, and from the first branch na we worked with them sa Asada, to our next 92-94 cafe sa Mangaldan, it's still with them, and hopefully for the next projects, if mag-proceed pa kami sa next project, it will always be them, because we already have this good connection, and they make our life easy, and yeah, they just put our visions into reality.
With the process with this one, at first, nakita namin kasi yung mas maliit na katabi. Noong una, less than a month yung paggawa. Tapos, biglang na-realize namin walang parking, na yun ang fault namin sa THM Cafe. So, nung bigla namin na-realize na kailangan namin yung parking kasi kailangan ng customers doon ng parking. Lumipat kami dito, tsaka pinatali namin kayo para ayusin ito. With the construction, syempre gusto namin matapos na agad-agad kasi nga nagbabayad ulit kami ng rent. So, which is, yun nga, yung design, approved. I guess, I don't know, mag-expand na. Kailangan suggestion ko. Wala naman kasi, wala akong makita eh. So, I guess, hopefully, expansion na lang ng inyong construction, na more staff. Of course, recommend namin kayo. Actually, na-recommend namin kayo sa family ko na yung Motileo ng tita ko. We recommend you sa mga friends din namin, lalo yung mga may cafe, yung mga may and of course, sa mga susunod naming branches, for sure, JBT home design ang kukunin namin.